Welcome to Love Lux Amore, where we talk about self-development and fulfilling our dreams. In this video, we will be diving into some advice for your 20s and how to create a vision board specifically tailored for this transformative decade. Your 20s are an exciting and sometimes overwhelming time, full of exploration, discovery, and figuring out who you really are. Whether you're building a career, exploring relationships, or trying to understand what you want from life, this decade lays the foundation for your future in so many ways. And what better way to guide yourself through this journey than with a vision board? A vision board can help you visualize your goals, stay focused, and create the life you want. Before we jump in, I want to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Also, if you're feeling inspired and would love extra guidance in creating a vision board that aligns perfectly with your goals, I offer a vision board analysis and goal-setting service where I help you craft the perfect board to visualize and achieve your dreams. You can find all of the details at loveluxamore.com. Now, let's get started on some advice for your 20s and how you can create a vision board that reflects your unique journey. Navigating your 20s, the big picture. Your 20s are often called the decade of discovery for a reason. It's a time when many of us start to understand who we really are, separate from the influences of family, school, and childhood. You're making decisions that could shape the rest of your life, which can feel empowering but also a little daunting. The good news is, you don't need to have everything figured out right away. This decade is all about exploration, whether that's in your career, relationships, personal growth, or even where you live. You're likely going to experience a lot of trial and error, and that's okay. It's important to give yourself permission to try new things, fail, and learn from those experiences. Your 20s aren't about perfection, they're about progress and self-discovery. So how do you navigate this decade with intention? One of the best ways is through clarity, getting clear about what you want, what you value, and where you want to go. This is where a vision board comes into play. Why a vision board is powerful in your 20s. A vision board isn't just a pretty collage of pictures, it's a powerful tool that can help you stay focused on your goals and dreams. In your 20s, when life can sometimes feel like a whirlwind, having a visual representation of what you want can ground you and keep you motivated. Every time you look at your vision board, you're reminded of what's important to you and what you're working toward. But why is this especially useful in your 20s? Well, this is often a decade full of uncertainty and big decisions. From figuring out your career path to deciding where to live or whether to start a family, your 20s are filled with pivotal moments. A vision board helps you clarify your goals and stay intentional about the decisions you make. Here's why creating a vision board in your 20s can be a game changer. 1. It provides clarity. Your 20s can feel overwhelming with so many options and possibilities. A vision board helps you hone in on what really matters to you and what you want to focus on. 2. It keeps you motivated. Life in your 20s can be full of ups and downs. A vision board is a constant source of motivation, reminding you of what you're working toward, even when things feel challenging. 3. It helps you visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool in achieving goals. When you see your dreams laid out in front of you, it becomes easier to imagine and work toward achieving them. 4. It evolves with you. Your vision board isn't set in stone. As your goals and dreams evolve, so can your vision board. It's a flexible, creative way to track your progress and stay aligned with your long-term vision. Now, let's talk about some key themes you'll likely encounter in your 20s and how these can be reflected in your vision board. Key themes in your 20s. Your 20s come with a lot of major life shifts and themes, from career development to relationships, self-discovery, and financial independence. Let's break down some of these major areas and how they might show up in your life and on your vision board. 1. Self-discovery and personal identity. One of the most common themes in your 20s is figuring out who you are. It's often the first time in life when you're truly independent, making decisions about your lifestyle, beliefs, and values. You might be asking yourself big questions like, what do I want to do with my life? What do I believe in? How do I want to show up in the world? This can feel overwhelming, but it's also incredibly exciting. Use your vision board to reflect this theme by adding images or quotes that resonate with your personal journey. These might include pictures of people who inspire you, words that define how you want to live, or even symbols that represent growth and transformation. Your vision board is a space where you can explore who you are and who you want to become. 2. Career exploration and ambition. Your career is often a huge focus in your 20s, whether you're just starting out, pivoting, or exploring different paths. This decade is typically when people build the foundation for their professional life, so career goals should definitely have a place on your vision board. What does your ideal career look like? Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? What skills do you want to develop? Maybe you want to work in a creative field, launch a business, or climb the corporate ladder. Whatever your career ambitions, find images that reflect this. This could include pictures of your dream office, a symbol of your industry, or words like leadership or innovation. You can also add specific goals like launch my own company by age 30 or become a manager in my field. 3. Building and maintaining relationships. Your 20s are often a time of building and nurturing relationships, romantic, platonic, and professional. You're likely meeting new people, forming deep connections, and learning how to set boundaries in relationships. Whether you're focusing on friendships, romantic relationships, or your support system, these should be part of your vision board. If finding love is one of your goals, add images that reflect the kind of relationship you desire, whether that's marriage, partnership, or simply a fulfilling connection. If you want to build strong friendships, include pictures or words that represent loyalty, trust, and shared experiences. 4. Financial independence. Financial independence is a huge milestone for most people in their 20s. You might be learning how to manage your own money, set budgets, pay off debt, or start saving for long-term goals like buying a house or investing. It can feel overwhelming at times, but this is also when you begin to lay the foundation for a stable financial future. For your vision board, think about the financial goals that matter most to you. Are you saving for a big trip? Building an emergency fund? Or maybe you're focused on paying off student loans. Add images or words that represent these goals, such as pictures of money, homes, travel destinations, or financial freedom symbols like debt-free or invest. 5. Health and wellness. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential in your 20s. Many people in this decade start to develop long-term wellness habits, whether that's regular exercise, eating well, or prioritizing mental health. You're building habits that will shape your overall well-being for years to come. For your vision board, include images that represent your health goals. Maybe it's a picture of someone running, a balanced meal, or words like self-care and balance. You can also include affirmations like I am strong and healthy or I take care of my body and mind. 6. Adventure and exploration. Your 20s are a time for exploration, whether that's traveling the world, trying new hobbies, or moving to a new city. It's about embracing adventure and taking risks, which are often key experiences in this decade. Add images to your vision board that represent the adventures you want to embark on. This could include pictures of places you want to visit, new hobbies you want to try, or quotes that inspire you to take risks and step outside your comfort zone. How to create your vision board for your 20s. Now that you understand some of the major themes you'll encounter in your 20s, let's dive into how to create a vision board that aligns with your goals and aspirations. 1. Reflect on your current life and future goals. The first step in creating your vision board is to take some time to reflect on where you are in life and where you want to go. Think about the key themes we just discussed and how they apply to you. What are your goals for each area: career, relationships, personal growth, health, finances, and adventure? Write down your thoughts in a journal or on a piece of paper. This reflection will serve as the foundation for your vision board, helping you stay focused on what really matters to you. 2. Gather your materials. Next, gather the materials you'll need to create your vision board. You'll need a sturdy base, poster board, canvas, corkboard, etc. Magazines or printed images from the internet that resonate with your goals. Scissors, glue, or double-sided tape to attach your images to the board. Markers and pens to write down specific goals or affirmations. Decorative elements like stickers or washi tape to personalize your board. 3. Select your images and text. Now it's time to select images and words that represent your goals. This is where you bring your vision to life. As you go through magazines or search for images online, look for pictures that evoke strong emotions or align with your intentions for the next decade. 4. Plan your layout. Before you start gluing anything down, take some time to plan your layout. Organize your images and text in a way that feels cohesive and meaningful to you. You can group similar themes together, e.g., health goals in one section, career goals in another, or create a more free-flowing design. 5. Attach your images and text. Once you're happy with your layout, start attaching your images to the board. Use glue or tape to secure them in place, and don't be afraid to get creative with layering or decorating. 6. Personalize your vision board. To make your vision board truly yours, consider adding personal touches like handwritten goals, doodles, or even photos of yourself or loved ones. These personal elements make your board even more powerful and connected to your journey. 7. Display your vision board. Finally, display your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. Whether it's in your bedroom, home office, or even on your phone or laptop as a digital vision board, the key is to keep your goals top of mind. The more you engage with your vision board, the more motivated you'll be to take action toward your dreams. Keeping your vision board updated. As you move through your 20s, your goals and priorities might shift. That's perfectly normal. Your vision board should evolve with you. Make it a habit to review your vision board regularly, perhaps once every few months. Take note of any goals you've achieved and update your board to reflect new ambitions or areas of focus. This ensures that your vision board remains a true reflection of your journey. Final thoughts. Your 20s are a decade of exploration, growth, and self-discovery. Creating a vision board tailored to your 20s is a powerful way to visualize your goals, stay focused, and work toward the life you want to build. Whether you're focusing on career success, building meaningful relationships, or prioritizing your health and wellness, your vision board will serve as a constant reminder of your aspirations. Remember, I'm here to help if you want extra support in crafting your vision board. I offer a vision board analysis and goal-setting service, as well as templates to help you create a vision board that aligns with your dreams. Visit loveluxeamore.com for more information. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with more self-development and manifestation content. I'd love to hear about your vision board journey, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to creating a vision for your 20s that leads to an incredible future. You've got this.